Hi guys. Welcome to my devlog number 3. So sorry for the computer automated voice. My microphone is having issues. I may have to get a new one. My focus since my last devlog was level design and parallax background. This is 2D platformer game. I don't have title yet. But if you guys have anything in mind, please do share. This game is going to be fast-paced game with a lot of enemies and obstacles. My first world is the jungle theme. It will consist of few levels. The first level is going to be the learning the game mechanics. I like to introduce some enemies and few obstacles. I used Photoshop to design the level. All grass and background trees are painted. Some of the trees I made are silhouette of already existing trees I found online. This is my final level so far. I'm pretty satisfied with the background animation and how the game feels. I did use post-processing script to fix the colors a bit. And also added particles effect to have air dust floating around. I am not fully satisfied with dust grass particles for the player when he moves and jumps. I have to do some tweaking for the next time. Thank you guys for watching. My goal for the next devlog is to focus more on the level design and as well as introducing enemies. Please stay tuned by subscribing to my channel. Please leave your comments and ideas as well. And also if you can like this video, that will be awesome. I will also continue to do tutorials as well. So please let me know if there is anything particular you guys have in mind.